Some of you will see this and the next thing that comes to your mind is eba or swallow. No, I'm making jollof. So this is egusi jollof. So hi guys, come let's make egusi jollof together. Oh goodness, this is super amazing, guys. Try this, and after trying it, let me know if you would go back to always eating egusi with just swallow, or you're going to make this at least once in a while. So first I start by boiling my rice. So here I'm adding egg to my rice so that the egg too can boil, because I'll be using boiled eggs. So I want to like boil everything together. So after boiling my rice, I'm going to go straight into making my stew. So the boiling is not fully boiling, or it is parboiling. Yeah, parboiling my rice. So half done. Actually, I'm going to cook it half done. So that's me washing the starch and everything away. So next I'm going to go into cooking my soup. So for the egusi, we're going to make it the normal egusi way. So you're going to make your soup the normal way you make your egusi soup. So for that, we'll be needing oil, we'll be needing onions, we'll be needing egusi, we'll be needing tomato paste. So you can add your fresh tomato and fresh pepper, but I won't be using that for this soup actually. So that is what I'll be using: oil, onions, tomato paste, and my other ingredients. So after adding these three together, mixing them together, and I know they're ready, next thing I'm going to add is my spicy pepper. So I'll be adding enough spicy pepper because I want it hot, despite the fact that I'm not using fresh pepper. So I added my spicy pepper, I added my ginger and garlic powder mixed together, and I added my salt, and also I added my seasoning cube. So I added crayfish to the egusi. So I blended the crayfish and the egusi together. So there's crayfish inside the soup already. Now I'm going to mix. You can keep adding water as the egusi is getting thick, so that the egusi doesn't burn before you're done with the whole soup. So you can just be adding water bit by bit as you're making the egusi. So now I'm going to go in with my fish, my smoked fish, and I'm going to go in with my omo. So now you can add in whatever animal you want to add to the soup, and you can also add in your stock water now. So make sure your stock water you're adding and the maggi and salt you'll be adding, make sure it is not too much. So whichever one you're adding first, you have to taste so that when you're adding the next one, it is not too much. I prefer you add the stock water first so that you can actually measure your seasoning cube and salt so it doesn't pass. So now you're going to add every animal you want to add in it. I'm adding my own smoked fish, my pomo, and my egg. So I'm adding it to it. So after adding all that, if the egusi is thick, like I said, you can still add little water to it, and then you just stir. Now, after everything, we're going to go in with the odogu himself. We're going to go in with the rice. So you're going to add your rice to the soup. So you just need to turn your rice inside, and you're going to mix your rice with the soup. So you mix everything together and make sure it blends well. And then next, we're going to go in with our ugu. So the ugu is what you're adding last. I added ugu with small nziza leaf. So you can use just ugu fine, no problem. Just add your ugu to it, and also mix the ugu with it and allow it cook till it is ready. Guys, this soup is super amazing. This jollof. Oh my goodness. Yeah, most people want to be like, this is a waste of eba. But guys, at least try this. Try this first. Try it first, then let me know. I gave this to one of my friends in the street because he was making mouth. When I told him, no, I'm making egusi jollof, he was like, guy, you want to make jollof? Make jollof. If you want to make egusi, make egusi. Why are you wasting egusi? I said, no problem. When I'm done, I'll bring for you to taste and you'll let me know. Guys, this guy was asking for more and I'm like, sorry. So try this first and let us know what you think. Let us know what you think. Come back and tell us what you think in the comment section. We would love to hear your feedback. So I tried it and I liked it and I love it actually. So I'll be making this once in a while. Not every time you eat your egusi with swallow. Most times I actually eat my egusi with white rice. I miss it like stew. But now the jollof is jollof is giving. Like, the jollof is giving. Before I forget, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, please kindly help us turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that anytime we post a new video, you'll be notified. You can always come back to check out our channel. We post new videos every day, so please feel free to be friends with our channel. We really love and appreciate you. Now, before I forget, I want to make a shout out to Rishi. Thank you for commenting. I saw like 3 of your comments, and you were the first to comment, and that was what you kept saying. I'm the first to comment, I'm the first to comment, I'm the first to comment. Thank you. We love and appreciate you. Thank you for making yourself known in the comment section. Thank you. And also, if you're here and you've not dropped your name and the country or state you're watching from in the comment section, please feel free to do that so that we can make a shout out to you. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.